Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 1 Hand-on Exercise 3 Simulation Training. So open the Excel Chapter 1. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 1 hand on exercise 3 simulation training. Click launch. So open the Excel chapter 1 simulation training. Total question 6. We move to the question number 1. Insert the column to the right of column H. Select the column H, right click and click insert and type the profit amount in cell I4. So copy the profit amount and paste in cell I4 and press enter. In cell I5 create a formula, subtract the C5 from H5. Type is equal to and H5 minus C5 and press enter. Copy the formula I5 through I6 to I10. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, we move to the question number 2. Insert the new row on row 5. So right click and click insert and type the PRL in cell A5. So select the cell A5 and type the PRL and press enter. Insert the new row on 8. So right click and click insert and type the sounder in cell A8. Cell A8 and press enter and in cell A11 and delete the row. So right click and click delete. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, adjust the width of column A to 23. So right click and click the column with this type 23 point and click OK. Adjust the row height 1 to 13 and right click row height is type 13 and click OK and select the height column B. Right click and height column B and select the height in column D. Right click and click the height, unhide the column D. So go to the home tabs and go to the cell groups and click the format and unhide and unhide the column. So select the column C to E, right click and click unhide. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. Insert the new row 8. So right click and click insert and select and cut in cell A12 to J12. So select the A12 to J12 and press enter and click cut and paste in cell A8 and look in cell A8, undo and click the undo and select and cut the range A11 to J11, 11 to J11 and press enter and click cut and select the cell 8 right click and insert cursor. So we move to the question number 5. Select the copy the range A10 to J10 and press enter. A10 to J10 and press enter. Click copy and paste in cell A12 and press escape buttons and type the travel margin cell A12 and press enter, and C12 is type 7. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is select and copy the range A1 to J12. So A1 to J12 and press enter and click copy and paste the range in cell A15. Paste the value, formatting and press escape buttons. A15 and press escape buttons. A1 to J12 and press enter and
select range A1 through J12.
A1 to J12 and click copy and paste in cell A15. Value and source formatting and press escape buttons, and next use the formula bar to compare the contents of cell H6 and H12. Apply the bold to the cell contain the value instead of formula. So select the H6 and H20. H6 and H20. Apply the bold. So question number 6 is complete. Please click OK to submit the assignments. So upload the assignments and check the score. You can see the current score is 100% in Excel chapter 1 hand-on exercise simulation training.